Hey guys, welcome back. Just wanted to give you a quick update. This is really kind of about everything that's happened. We all know 2020 was a nightmare, and I could go on for hours talking about the delays, the problems, everything that's gone on since March or April of last year. But the big impetus for this video here is just kind of give you an update on Frankenstang, the 66 Mustang coupe. What had happened with that car, it's fully done. I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of the videos out there for you. Unedited, real, raw. I'm just going to get it out there. Got held up with a lot of stuff last year. Just didn't have the time to get the videos posted. That car is done. It has been delivered. It's a bit of an unfortunate situation. What transpired after that, I'll kind of fill you in here. The owner of the car suffered a couple strokes while the car was in process in the shop here getting done, and took delivery of it, lost his ability to drive, so his wife was driving the car, and then unfortunately just earlier this year, I think it was, his wife passed away, and he is now in assisted living. So pretty sad turn of events there. You know, he spent a lot of time, a lot of money on that car. It was their baby, as you'll see in the videos. When you see the final video, you'll see why I'm saying that. You'll kind of see why he spent the money he did. But just pretty sad story. If I could sum it all up for everybody, it's just a good example of just get out and enjoy life. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's going to happen. If you take care of yourself, you might be lucky enough to live a long life, and something might happen. You just don't know. But pretty sad turn of events with the car. They did have to sell the car, and I recently spoke with the new owner of the car who's really happy with it. Sounds like it went to a good home. So I'm very happy to hear that. It's in another state, and it's going to keep living on. So as I said, this is really more of an update on Frankenstang and why there was such a delay in getting the videos out to everybody. Kind of was what it was. 2020 sucked. We all know that. So these will be unedited. We're just going to put them out there. Like them, hate them, I don't care. They're real. It shows everything about the car. I know some of the stuff that's been on there already. There was things that were missed because in the editing process, we missed a couple videos. We didn't put things in. So I'm going to go back in. I'm going to change things around a little bit, and I'm going to number them part 1, 2, 3, so on. So that way you guys can follow the build. You can follow what happened. You can see the end results. And as I just said before, it's an unfortunate turn of events after that car was done. Very sad to hear that. You always hate it when you're building a car for somebody. You know, they're a little older. You know, I can't remember how old the owner was or is, but I know he's in his 70s, I do believe. So you just don't know. You don't know. And get out, enjoy life. You see something you want, work hard, go for it, have fun. Do what you can, and just have a blast. So I'm going to go ahead. We're going to get the rest of these videos together, and I'm just going to start throwing them on there. So like, subscribe, hate it, like it. I'm good. 2020 sucked. We got through it. The shop is full to the doors. I can't take another car in here, and a lot of that is because of all the delays I'm now getting trying to get parts in here. There's a lot of customers in here who are unhappy with me through delays, which are, I can't control them. So kind of is what it is in this business. The nature of the beast is you got to wait for parts. You got to wait for parts. So anyway, on with the show. Thanks for watching. Watch Frankenstang. The rest is coming.